If you want to split an image in GIMP quickly and cleanly, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you want to cut one image into two halves, separate sections for design work, or prepare a graphic for social media, GIMP gives you a simple method using guides and the slice feature. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to split. You can do that by going to File, then Open, and selecting your image from your computer. Once your image is open, the first thing you need is a guideline, because that guide will tell GIMP exactly where to make the split. There are two ways to do this, and I'll show you both so you can choose whichever feels easier. The fast method is to create a guide by dragging from the rulers. If you want a horizontal guide, click and drag down from the top ruler. If you want a vertical guide, click and drag across from the left ruler. As you move the guide into position, you'll see it snap into place over your image. This is great if you just need a quick split and don't need exact measurements, but if you want a perfectly centered cut or a more precise placement, use the guide by percent method instead. To do that, go to the top menu, click Image, then Guides, and choose New Guide by Percent. A small window will appear where you can choose either horizontal or vertical. Then enter the percentage you want, such as 50% if you want the image split exactly in the middle. Click OK, and GIMP will place the guide perfectly for you. If you need more than one cut, you can repeat this process and add multiple guides wherever you need them. This is especially useful if you want to divide one image into several sections or create a grid-style layout. Take a moment to make sure your guides are in the right place before moving on, because this next step will use those lines to separate the image. Once your guides are set, go back up to the image menu again. This time, choose the option called Slice Using Guides. When you click that, GIMP will automatically split the image based on the guidelines you added. Instead of just cutting the image visually, it will create separate pieces in separate workspaces, so each section is isolated and ready to work with. This is really helpful if you need to edit each part individually, export sections separately, or build a larger layout from smaller image parts. After the split happens, you can move through each workspace and work on each section as needed. If your goal was just to divide the image into two equal parts, you'll now have exactly that. If you added more guides, you'll get more pieces split from the same image, and that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can split an image in GIMP using guides and the slice tool without doing any manual cutting or complicated selection work. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple GIMP and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.